Changing your primary email on Banco Santander is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Banco Santander website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Isrup to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm them. After entering your new email, click on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Banco Santander. This will help ensure that your email change has been processed successfully.